I told you there's an AI tool that can turn your simple ideas from just text prompts into professional-looking, ultra-realistic, cinematic videos in just minutes, and most people are only using 10% of its power. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access and use this AI tool completely for free and unlimited without draining your bank account. I'm also going to show you secret tricks that most top creators use to always get the best results, which they don't want you to know about. If these are things you are interested in, then kindly hit that like and subscribe button to join the family of AI Guide with Zena. First off, let's quickly break down what Kling AI actually is without the confusing jargon. So, what is Kling AI exactly? Kling AI is a text-to-video AI model developed by Kuaishou, a major tech company from China. Think of it like ChatGPT, but instead of giving you written text and words, it gives you realistic, high-quality videos and images, all from simple text prompts. And not just random videos. We're talking about slow motion, cinematic camera movements, high-stake actions, and many more. The only limit to this is your imagination. Now, let's get into the fun part, how you can actually use it. Step 1. Visit Kling AI's official platform, usually through their main website or beta page. I'll leave the link to their official website in the description. Just go down to the description of this video and click on the first link you see. It will take you directly to this page. Now pay very close attention here because most people reach this point and get confused and don't know what to do next. But it's very simple. You see the Create button at the top right corner of the website. Click on it and you'll be redirected to this page. As you can see for yourself, it says Kling 2.0 is here. Greatly improved dynamics, aesthetics, and prompt adherence. But this is not what we are interested in for today. That's a video topic for another day, provided you guys want me to cover it for you. Click on the sign in button down here and you will be redirected to this page. Now listen carefully and don't skip any part of the video. Please do not skip, else you will get lost and confused. Go to the second link provided in the description of this video and click on it. You will be redirected to this new website, and here's what you are going to do here. Click on Create over here and a pop-up window would appear just like this one you see here. Now listen carefully. Do not touch or change anything here. Leave everything as it is. Then move down and click on this Generate button, and just like that you would have a new, perfectly active and working email that you can use for all your online activities. Now copy the newly generated email by clicking on this icon here and head back to Kling AI webpage. Now select Sign in with email and then paste in your newly generated email here and choose a password of your choice. Note that your preferred password should contain numbers and digits and should be between 8 and 20 characters. Then click on Next. You'll be required to complete this security verification checkup before you proceed. It's very simple, just click here and drag until the puzzle piece fits in perfectly. A verification code would be sent to the email we've just created. Head back there and copy the code from the message sent to you and go back to Kling AI webpage and paste it here and then click on Sign in. And just like that, your account is up and ready for creating. You can always go back using the timestamps of the video if you get lost, confused, or don't understand something on the way. Now, the reason I asked you guys not to skip any part of this video is that sometimes you might encounter a problem, like the email you've entered is already in use. So, what do you do when you encounter such a problem? It's actually very simple. Just go back and regenerate a new email, and that should fix the problem. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt box like this. This is where you type in the details of the video you would like to generate. For example, a girl running through a magical forest, camera tracking from behind, golden sunlight shining through the trees, and hit generate and allow Kling AI to do its magic. The result looks very realistic and clean, right? Now let's test out the image generation feature of Kling AI. Go on to ChatGPT and ask it to help you write an image prompt to generate an AI influencer. ChatGPT will then provide you with a detailed prompt to generate your character. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and head back to Kling AI and paste it here. Now scroll down to part where it says Upload Image for Reference. Click on it and then upload a reference image from your device. Note that it will cost 8 credits to complete the image generation. But don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to get unlimited credits for free as promised early on. Now let's hit Generate. As you can see, it says task submitted and generation is in progress. Wow, these images look really beautiful, natural, and very realistic. Check out this one here. Now let's turn these images into stunning videos. I think I like this one here. So let's go ahead and download it onto our device and create a video with it. After successfully downloading your image, just head over to the video generation section here and upload the image here. Now type in the details of what you would like your influencer to do. For instance, make her talk naturally while moving her body from side to side. Camera slowly pans around her. Always be specific with your camera movements, else the camera would be static and would not move. Now for the negative prompt, you could just type no blurry and weird hand and body movements. No text or captions nor subtitles on screen. No color change. And hit generate. And just like that, our influencer is now talking naturally and moving her body perfectly as well. Now I don't want this video to be too long, else it will become very boring to watch. Kindly let me know in the comment section below if you would love a full step-by-step tutorial on how to access and use the various features that Kling AI has to offer, and I'll gladly do that for you. Now about that unlimited access I mentioned early on, it's very simple to do. Just sign out whenever you are out of credit and sign back in with a new email address. Here, let me show you how. Notice the amount of credit I have left on this account. Now I'll sign out from this account by going to the 3 lines at the top left corner here and click on Home. Then scroll down and select Profile Page over here. Then select Profile Settings at top right corner here, and then scroll down and click on Sign Out. And just like that, I've signed out of that account. Now go on and click on Sign In, and you'll be redirected to this page again. Now head over here and click on Create. Remember not to change anything here. Just move down and click on Generate. And just like that, you have a new email address. Copy it and head back to the sign in page. Then paste it here. Choose your password and click on Next. Complete the security verification that pops up. Then head over to copy the verification code sent to you. Then paste it here and go ahead to click on Sign In. And just like that, you have a new account with new credit ready to be used. Now, if you see 0 credits, just like this one here, don't worry. Just refresh the page again and that should fix it. About that secret trick most creators use to get best results, it all boils down to your prompting. You see, a good prompt gives a good result and a bad prompt gives not too good result. Here are some examples. Feel free to pause the video anytime to study them closely. This is a good prompt because 1. It specifies the details of the character, that is, a teenage girl in red hoodie. 2. It sets a clear setting. And thirdly, it specifies the action the character should take, that is walking and looking around. Last but not least, it describes the camera movement and lighting style. I'll advise you to use your first account to learn and study the platform before creating. And that's all for today. I don't want this video to be too lengthy for you guys. But in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money using Kling AI in just under 10 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and don't miss it.